This is so variable. Yet personally speaking, I would suggest one general child pick one subject. Right, because the focus and the output you will get by picking just one subject for a longer duration will show with time.
Okay.
So, like personally speaking, I picked only one subject in one day.
Acha, very interesting.
Yeah. So sometimes it might affect your assignment or something.
Very interesting. So you are saying rather than dividing your time between multiple subjects and stuff, chapters probably, pick up one thing and give entire time on that so that the output is maximized. That's yours. That has worked for you, right? And Sabhish, any pointers from you on that?
Personally, I feel like from the starting of 11th, in which like time devoted to like एक go में कितना पढ़ना है, it can be like as low as 1 hour or 1.5 hours. But by the end of 11th, it should increase, and by the end of 12th, it should increase to at least 4 hours. Because अगर आपका आदत 4 hours की पड़ गई है, so जो actual exam है 3 hours का है, 3.5 hours का, you can stay completely focused. Because actual exam conditions ideal नहीं होती, like तुम्हारे रूम जैसी बिल्कुल शांति नहीं होगी, teachers will be talking and like बाहर से शोर आ रहा होगा, कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही होगी, सो यू शुड बी इतना फोकस्ड कि आप 3 hours तक बिना और किसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचे सिर्फ पेपर कर सकते हो. एंड एज कम्पेयर टू टाइम कैसे डिवाइड करना है एक दिन में, डोंट टेक अप 3 subjects, यू कैन डिवाइड मीन्स इन 2 subjects, लाइक कोई 2 subjects उठाया एंड वो कर लिया, एंड दैट्स
very important point.
So taking that cue, in fact, what we did also at Vedantu is typically when we design, because I had that experience, and because of that we have designed in such a way that we keep only one subject in one day, and because we feel that a student is confused that what to study on a particular day, physics, chemistry, maths, and there are a lot of time they waste in that thinking about subjects. And typically when we talk about these guys who are self-disciplined on their own, there are a lot of guys who are not. Yes. And because of that, they should concentrate. If they start picking up one subject a day, see how they have actually cleared the clutter, right? So they are out of the chaos, and they just have to focus on that subject.
Very interesting. So I think one common theme which I could summarize here is rather than picking up multiple subjects, take one and devote more time to that. And how much time? At least from common, consensus, it's at least 1 hour. And that 1 hour should, progress to 3 hours, more than 3 hours, in fact 4 hours, because you should have developed that discipline of sitting at one place and being focused for 3 hours, because that's the duration of your, JEE exams. I think that's a wonderful point, right?